This is StevenX. I regret to report to you that dark times have arrived, as I tried Procreate for a month. This message is a warning, as it seems that this might be the weirdest review of Procreate ever. But do not fear, have trust in the Force. I hope my message will reach you, and as always, may the Force be with you. Welcome, my name is Steven, and I'm a noob artist on a journey to become a digital artist. About a year ago, I bought a Huion display tablet and started my journey into the world of art. At first, it was going rather well, but due to my work, I couldn't upload as much as I wanted to or practice enough, so I had a problem.
You know, I had to use too many cables to connect everything together and use my laptop and...
So, after researching online, I decided that the best solution was to buy an iPad Pro. And that's exactly what I did. Also, I bought Procreate for less than $15. And yes, that was a good moment for me. I opened iPad, I pressed the Procreate app icon, and boom! A whole new world. But then, I realized that I had to learn to sketch all over again. A new challenge, which I accepted. And this video is the result of using Procreate for 1 month. Let's begin. This is Kanan Jarrus, a Jedi Knight from Star Wars Rebels. I started to sketch him in Procreate, and for the first day I felt like I haven't touched a pen in my life. The new iPad pen was so different from my previous one, and Procreate had so many brushes that I had to try almost all of them to decide which ones I was going to use. It took me some time, but I finally decided which ones were the best for me. Anyway, Procreate has some cool features. You can zoom in and out with your fingers, like in your phone. Also, iPad offers a split view, which helps a lot to have both your reference and your Procreate Kamvas project, which helps a lot. Finally, I found out that Procreate has an amazing feature which auto-captures your screen and exports the recording to a normal video or 30-second speed video. Overall, it was a great experience, and I believe I will create even more cool designs in the future. So, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.